Oh yeah, this senior division is off the hook. We're down to our fifth and final group. They come to you from Rochester Hills, Michigan. Here they come. Give it up for It's Raining Men.
Hi, we're from Deborah Stage Door Center for the Performing Arts in Rochester Hills, Michigan. And we're here to prove that anyone who says only sunshine brings happiness has obviously never danced in the rain. And nothing's better than today's forecast because it's raining men!
It's Raining Men from Rochester Hills, Michigan. Woo! What a way to finish it off. How about them seniors? Give it up. Come on, make some noise.